Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ndunde. If you're new here, karibu sana, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for watching and choosing to watch this video. So in this video, let me take you with me to see where you can get your recording devices, including cameras and things like that along Dubois Road. Hope you enjoy this video. Please like, share, comment, subscribe and all that, and I really appreciate you. Guys, so I'm on Dubois, and this is the place I'm going, and that is Accra Road. Ukiingia tu hivi, and then Ken Silver is somewhere right there. So I'm going inside here. Ndio niwaonyeshe kwenye hiyo duka iko. So you just go inside and then go straight. Not so many people know here, by the way, and you can also get stuff like that. So this is the place, Focus Media Shop. So here. So as you can see, they gave me options between the J. Mary and the Boya, but I preferred to get the Boya. So if you are really looking for these things, this is the place to go and shop for them. They are really affordable, considering some online shops that sell these things at some very extravagant prices. So you can check them out. I have left a number just before. You can take a screenshot. And after also showing me the best, they explained to me quality, the one that gives the best quality. So kindly check them out.
Kwenda all the way up to 25.
Scan discs is how much? Memory cards.
1,000 mpaka 4,000.
4,000 ni GB ngapi?
128 na speed ya 170.
Okay. And the 1,000 ni 32.
32 ya speed ya 120.
Alright. And what about the Ringlights?
Yeah. From 2.5 all the way to 8.5 depending.
So the big one, which is 22 inches.
21 inches.
21 inches. It's
8,500.
The next one?
The other one is 6,500. 18 inch. Then 14 inch 5,000. Then 12 inch 3.5. Then 10 inch 2.5.
Na hizi light?
It's like in your
light
38. 6,000. 7.5 next. 9,000. 11,000. Nyuma kabisa 19.5. Ile kubwa 29,500.
For just one. So if you want a pair,
so
times 2. Ile mic, that one, your kubwa. Yes, the microphone.
6.5.
The holder 1,800.
Yeah.
Mko na hadi tablets za watu. How much?
5,000.
Hiyo ni bei ya kuongea ama wakisema wametumwa na Iva?
5,000. Wewe Harry? 5,000 selea. Sindio?
55.
55.
55.
No, kanika. Ndio wote.
Na hizo games?
Na hizi pads ni 2,500. Na bado tunajenga games. Lakini hazina ziko hapo. Games ni how much?
So game ilikuwa determined. Kan ni FIFA ni 55. Then kuna games za GTA ni 2,500. Okay. Sio tegemea tu ni type gani ya game.
Oh, so 2,500 to 3,000.
Not 8,000.
Hata 8,000.
Okay.
Kata, microphone, kata, holder na stand.
Oh,
Stand
it's this one. Ndio hii.
Lakini stand yake ni ile. Hii ni tu ya kudemonstrate juu. That one is tu ya kuweka hapa hivi.
So hiyo stand ni ya
Hii ni light stand peke yake na ni 1,500 ka light stand.
okay.
Lakini yake ni ile kali. Ndio yake kanakuja nayo.
Okay. Ask hizi green screens.
Ni 9,000 here. The entire row.
How big is it?
3 meters by 6.
3 by 6.
No.
And it comes with
Oh, sorry. I'm sorry. 11? 3 by 11. Sorry.
3 by 11.
Thank you.
And it comes with this stand.
No, the stand is separate. And it is 9,500. 9,500.
Oh, naona road mic. Ni how much?
4,500.
4,500. Right. Hey guys, so I just got back home. Well, probably like 20 minutes to 30 minutes ago, and I'm just working. I work a lot on my phone, not my laptop. So I've just finished eating what, because I was so famished, and then I passed by AR and they gave me some meds that I needed to take, which is why I had to eat fast before anything. Besides that, let me unbox this Boya camera with you and then continue working. So I'm gonna do a few more clips with y'all. So let me just this camera is dying on me. So here is the Boya mic, and I'm still not going to use this one because there's one cable adapter that is probably this size big that doesn't come with it, because as I said, I use the Canon GX Mark II camera and I have to have that adapter so that I can use the mic. So I shouldn't even have gotten it, but since I've gotten it, let me just show you how it is. When you open the box, I like this pouch that comes with it. As you can see, it has the Boya engraving to this pouch, and then Boya, and has some, this is a warranty card, and then this is probably how to use it. Most gadgets have that. And so here we have the mic itself, and I wanted this one because it was very, very long. As I was told, it's about 6 meters long. A minute. Sorry guys, that battery just died on me. So as I was saying, this one is 6 meters long, which is the reason why I got. I could have gotten the other one, the Mary something, the J Mary, but now it was 1 meter long. I could have taken that one, but as I said, this is longer and I can move around with this when it's connected to my cloth. So apart from this, inside the pouch still we have nothing else in here. We have this it's a clipper, the one that you clip to your clothes together with the mic. So where the mic is, which is here, 1 minute. Anyway, this one goes in here. This is like a sponge, and I was told this sponge goes for 1,000 bob alone, so do not lose it. So that's now the mic. Oh yeah, and then here, this is where you clip. So you see there's like an opening there. That's where you now clip, and you have, so now if it's clipping to your cloth, it's like that. And then now, however long you want to place the camera, this one can work pretty well. So I paid 1,500 for this one. And then there's this extension. I was told it's when you have, I don't know, probably the bigger speakers. I do not know, honestly. I'll be misleading if I told you where. And then here I have a battery, which I believe should be, yeah, this is where you put the battery so that it can start working. And I was told the power in this is very, so positive, negative, yeah, exactly how I'm putting it. It finally went in. So now all you've got to do is close, and then you can power it on and off. Okay, so that's just about it. But now it's gonna stay off, and now you can use it for cameras or you can use it for smartphones. So it's gonna just stay off until I get that adapter. Until then, this will be stored safely because I'm still gonna need it sooner or later. And then the lady was very kind enough, and she gave me something to wipe my lens with. So this one is something to wipe my camera lens with. She noticed it had, I was trying to wipe, I was actually borrowing a tissue to wipe the lens because as they were looking at the camera, someone touched the lens. And so she gave me this one for free, and she said it's okay, I shouldn't pay for it. And yeah, this one they sell for 500 shillings. As you can see here, if you press this button right here, you get a brush to wipe the dust on the lens. And then this other side, which has a sponge, is where you wipe the lens with. So you can either use the sponge, because there's like a sponge that comes with this package, and then you wipe it with. So I'm gonna keep this one safely. I really do appreciate her. So yeah, I'm gonna store these together, or this one can stay in my bag, but I'm gonna take them later on to store them safely. Oh yeah, so let me work just a little as I also make some calls. It's currently 8:54, so let me like really hurry. It's Friday, so tomorrow I'm not going anywhere. Yeah, tomorrow I'll not be going to town, and so that I can finish updating the list, here I have all these names that I need to write or to update in the group. And guys, I'm sure are wondering where I've gone to, because I started eating as soon as I got into the house. I haven't updated anything. And then tomorrow, today I've received a message. There's a consignment that has gotten in for the group, so that is really pretty nice and amazing. So I'll be collecting that one tomorrow. I will include, however, I'll probably include that in the last video that I did when I went to collect other goods, and they were the same things, the mugs. So here I'm not actually sure what came in, so I'm hoping it's silicone spoons, because those spoons, ever since I ordered in November, they haven't arrived. Now I will be speaking on a more extensive video about the downsides or the pros and cons of ordering for your stuff for business in China, so watch out for that video as well. So yeah, let me continue updating. As you can see, my WhatsApp is and I haven't replied to a few people, so let me do that quickly with you as yeah, I end this vlog here. Hey guys, so I am done updating everything, and it's pretty late. I have also done another video which is pretty nice. I was in the mood to film something, and yeah, it's, as I said, very late. It's 11:19. I need to go shower and then go to bed. Yeah, so I thought I would close this video. And yeah guys, if you have enjoyed this video, if you haven't subscribed, if you haven't liked and commented down below, please do so, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Bye guys.